right, we're going to test out the free form and see if we can come up with a $0 payment required for the entries for the Christmas parade. So we're going to go off to the website. The entry forms are all found here on the first page. This one is the first one generally. Click to apply for the general admission folks. I'm going to skip most of this. And it will require an address. You can describe your entry if you like there. If you will, please put in, I guess it will make you. Please put in the length of your vehicle, if it's a truck and a trailer, the length of both of them together, please. Attach photos from the file. So if you have something that you would like to pop in there, just click on it and upload that. It'll go right into our files for us. If you have social media page, we can go see what you've got there, your products, your services. You can type in your website here so we can find out a little bit more about you if necessary. Additional comments, if you have any concerns or any questions, you can type them there. Click on whatever category best suits you. When it comes to the coupon, then, in order to get this for free, type in the word free, all caps, and then push the apply. That should bring the dollar amount back to $0. And then you should be able to agree to the terms and services. You can read all of that above. Down here it's going to ask you to sign. You can sign with your finger if you have a touch screen, and then submit the form, and that works.